don't want my grandma to die.
I'm going to make a cure for that, and it's going to be called cough drops. Pop a cough drop, and you won't die.
Pop cough drop.
Pop one. Okay, so that's going to be my goal. Making cough drops a lifesaver. Alright. Isn't this a piece of art? It's called an elephant.
That's a heffalump.
Whatever, a heffalump elephant. They both have trunks. Al, who made this?
Dylan.
Dylan?
Yeah. My cousin.
Her cousin. There's two of them. Twins. And they made it.
Wonderful.
Oh, look. It's the heffalump. You can put the heffalump back now. Wait. Okay. Hope you like my
Dylan, see?
Hope you liked my lifesaver. Just remember, every time you eat a cough drop because of your sore throat, just remember, it can save a life. See ya. Where did I go wrong?
I lost a friend.
Bye.